For nutrition program manager DOA and Catalino Dituno Union, regional nutrition program coordinator. Director Cornelio Ortiz Zamora, Department Garo, Assistant Regional Director. Leonardo Lina, OIC Regional Team Macau Director. Arturo Salazar, DNA Regional Director. Rodilia Maria Usar, Raju Kauswagan, Asia Manager, Kalumpon Institute of Technology. Rodit A. Roca, LTO of 7, LGC Division Chief. You like to shoot our knowledge from the academic, DOF, JPED, DOIC, GAR, GOLE, DA, and so for user that in 22 años, our nation's leaders recognize that the country program lies not in its infrastructure, only a physical picture and book. Cognitive background katawan. Over the decade, our paradigms have evolved. Tika akan distribute ang matasyon ng skala kulita to crafting complex structural plans under successive generations of the Philippine Plan of Action for Nutrition. Fast forward to today, 2026, ang atong generasyon ginaya na critical historical effort where human health and planet survival converge. Kung future persons commit to health, they must ground in historical